Welcome to Evonik Healthcare. We are a global innovation hub for the world's leading life science companies. Human well-being is at the heart of what we do, and that's why sustainability is our guiding business principle. We take responsibility for the economic, environmental, and social impacts of our business, which means we are a trustworthy partner helping to reduce the carbon footprint in our value chain and increase the ecological and social handprint. Let's take a look at one example. PhytoSquene is the first plant-based squalene in the world available in pharmaceutical quality. Squalene is used in vaccines, but is currently sourced from sharks. Let's go to Darmstadt in Germany, where Rima will talk more about our plant-based solution, PhytoSquene. Greetings to Darmstadt.
Thanks, Alex. Hello, I'm Rima Jaber, and I am the Global Product Manager for Lipids and the responsible commercial manager for PhytoSquene. Today, I'm going to take you on a journey from the bustle of a clinic to the serenity of the deep seas. Every year, millions of people trust in the power of vaccines to safeguard their health. But behind many vaccines lies a complex story of innovation and sustainability. The deep blue oceans are home to countless species, including sharks. What many people might not know is that shark liver is a source of squalene. Squalene is a natural organic compound that has different applications in cosmetics, nutraceuticals, and pharmaceuticals. It is an important ingredient in vaccines like the seasonal influenza vaccine. Squalene is part of an adjuvant system in a vaccine. It helps to improve the immunogenicity of an active ingredient, meaning that patients require lower or less frequent doses. This not only improves patient safety, but also stretches the vaccine supply to protect more lives. Traditionally, the squalene used in pharmaceutical products like vaccines has been primarily sourced from sharks. But many shark species are endangered, so shark-derived squalene threatens biodiversity, and squalene sourced from sharks is often contaminated with methyl mercury. At Evonik, we decided to take on this challenge. We developed an alternative to shark-derived squalene. PhytoSquene is the world's first plant-based squalene in GMP quality. It is derived from amaranth oil. Amaranth is a plant that is cultivated in many regions of the world as a crop. It can be grown in colder regions, including Argentina, Bolivia, and Peru. Amaranth oil is extracted from the amaranth seed. We extract squalene from this oil. To tell you more about how the squalene is extracted from the oil, I will hand over to my colleague, Andreas.
My name is Andreas Jakob, and I'm the project manager of PhytoSquene. Our journey began with the goal of finding a natural plant source that produces high levels of squalene. We identified amaranth as a suitable plant source. Then we used our expertise in process technology to isolate squalene. One challenge was to obtain squalene in the purity needed for vaccine adjuvants. We developed a process that requires a series of steps to enrich and purify the squalene. This ensures that PhytoSquene meets the high standards of purity and quality.
Evonik manufactures large volume of PhytoSquene to meet the needs for pharmaceutical applications. That's how we're leading the way for a more ethical and a sustainable alternative to animal-derived squalene. PhytoSquene ensures a supply of high-quality squalene with stable batch-to-batch quality. And PhytoSquene is compliant with stringent European Pharmacopoeia specifications, from a single vaccine to the vastness of the ocean. Evonik's commitment to sustainability and innovation is helping to write a new story, where healthcare and the environment thrive together.
Thank you, Rima, for sharing with us about PhytoSquene and how it can help preserve marine biodiversity. As you can see, at Evonik Healthcare, we are inspired by science to improve people's lives day after day.
Evonik, leading beyond chemistry.